Benenio. Ndiko maje ndi otofe. Efambo misangwa bizembo unyogume. Yes, in China, can remind you she our Ndoka station, the date it still remain the same. Ndoka association, our get together in Valencia. They go for my ticket now. Therefore, so it's going down. No time to waste time at all. Valencia, 27th of December, Ndoka association is going to get down. Going to get down. So I'm expecting to see you guys there. One love, my people. One love.
Ndokwa Association of OB. My brothers, my sister, Ajeni Otofeni. Onye na-efe na ya narigide. Abịaji mozoba manu nekwe. Sawa ending of year party. So bude ne Rwanda. It still remain that date, 27th of December. Ojeke Zwezwe. Ebaje ke meya bu party bu Spain in Valencia. Ebeko nyendu enyede. Ebeko president anyede. Mrs. Crometina. Also, nature son on chas only did we go ticket to Saturday go ticket. No jeka pota poto. It's only association, Ndokwa association that you come to stay. Valencia code. Because na nature no, a bobonede in this Europe, around Europe, and nature, you are welcome. Bia no jeka pota poto jeke zwezwe. Okay, shape body. Hey, you go happen. Only the benedi fair now. We are waiting for you people. Oto fa Jenny. Ela cordio.
What the Lord has for me. Oh, when he took when he fed him manoa, even took Kuni and a man into Monarama. He had seen who never marry Venjakabu. He for Kuni and a man into me. Oh, Monesoro.
Oh, Mokanoma. When he took when he fed him ma. Aje otofeni o neke no na nkagundo kwani dini Spain no ebe ne bi di o usa anyị no olili association ni Valencia nke me end of year party Ndokwa association ni Valencia anyị na akpọ no shunu pusa that very day on the 27th of December. Ya ka nke me olili end of year party usani ebe ni bi dini Spain website ticket ki bia kayi mara onwe enyi ai mara ebe isi uri bia kwano mma beneni o da very day neche unu pusa o kayi mara onwe enyi o
asanda kwa mama sunda kwa asukwa ni mama sebene yao feife yao kada shinda kwa ndakwa mama asukwa ni ndakwa ndakwa association organisu umune munaro organisu kaneje yakanibian nshime buzoma ndiani bijinoshi ndani bagwamu ifi ndemare wonye ndani bamare gabi begone ntive keku ndani begone ntive kakho esuna som suna tum na somene letu if you can so as I'm here, I'm ready. Let me tell you what is going on. What is going to take place in Valencia, 27th of December, 2021, which is this very month we are, few days from now. Kongwano Golenti, Ndokwa Association, Odoni Spain. Odoni Spain, who Madam Clementina, Mukmenosanicha. Tani ndu mkwani ndu ndokwa usa Ndokwa association in Spain and when our end of year party no wa kinibu December na 27th elemo kele 27 na Valencia ko ke shimi ko simi la fadare de mene wendi le na Madrid nde But a rule label. Don't go there. I'm there already. Really? I'm there.
Ndokwa mama komani meliyo adokumanya so bibi kadokuma village adokumanya so bibi ndokwa association organize ndokwa association onagana nisu nefa Jesus aloka gana nisu nejeje nefa Jesus amen no aposaji no gawa Nyago she date no eti ene wa change me obuko December 27 of 2021 wa change me umu nyago she no kusa no dey ke mo before akejije kanyi no fefele kanyi rigba me no fefe ka ma sha yin gumu ni ka wa ma sha shi no fujo re kusa ka la gba me ni ke no fuko umu ne kusa ne a o ku ne go do ticket no unu keji jebel eba anyị joko bụ Valencia tinye ya n'eti ụnụ shi ebe anyị joko bụ Valencia bụ ndekọta tiketi ụnụ jeki na-agwa ụnụ shi ka ije ụnụ ka ojije ụnụ ka ọnụnụ ọ ga-abụrụ ije awele were ihe ụnụ na-efe aja eso okporo ụzọ niile ụnụ ka gaa chukwu kedugarụ na ebel ke ndị ekeri na ebel chukwu akọba fụwarị ke mmanya gwa ka ala na ebel chukwu akọba fụwarị na agụ ụmụ shi n'ụpụsa ụmụnne ka anyị kolu nye karịrị n'ofefele chukwu edufọrọ ụmụ ije bel na-efe aja eso amen.
Ọtụmụndakwa mma onye ọbụla na-efe ekene ndị moto ofenyo ndị kọmaje na ogocha wesonyo mmebe onwe n'ọnọdụ nwa ọnọdụ chienu sekụndịrị were dis media were gwa anụ si oge ruo banyere ọkpụkpụ men Valencia City on the 27th of this month of December 2021 yani ke made gathering banyere association Ọtụmụndakwa so efona so ni na igwe kwasani ikpokuru eshi marigba mewe eshi rigbame lagbame eshi so ya shine kusikumba gwano kumba nyano no se oruwo obi ade go ticket yo ki le chibo go ke yo ni mani chicken go mukemo so that to sign up for many bro eshi o na rigbama na ife ejigbo kan wore bukeno so hope to see you guys there.
So I let you know, say on the 27th of December, there's another party for Spain. As soon as I say so, I don't already get my tickets. Now Spain, I didn't go this week. My people they enjoy myself till that on the 27th. So that was why I let all my families know. I said, guys, you move when I turn up, wherever any country at all when you did, France, America, UK, Belgium, you guys get your tickets that day. If you come, you know say things they happen for Kwale Association. Love you guys.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Sandra Nelson, a member of Ndokwa Association Spain. I'm here to inform you about our upcoming gathering, which will be holding 27th this December in Valencia City, Spain. It's not just a party, but also an opportunity for us to meet our Ndokwa brothers and sisters. So, on behalf of Ndokwa Association Spain, I'm inviting all our Ndokwa brothers and sisters to come and celebrate with us and join this association. We are expecting you. Mark the date, 27 December 2021 in Valencia City. We welcome you there. So we are expecting you. Come on, come on. With love, Ndokwa Association. Peace.
Yeah.